Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. Today we are going to make carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa in हमारे style. It's a very popular dessert in India and it's very easy to make. So let us start our recipe. First we have taken here fresh carrot. There are two types of carrots available in India. One is in red color and other one is in orange color. So here we have taken orange color carrots. Now wash them and crush it with the help of crusher in uniform size. You can see how we are doing here. It will take hardly 4 to 5 minutes. But please be careful, otherwise you will cut the fingers. Now you can see we crushed our all carrots. It looks so nice, all in uniform size. Now it is ready for making halwa. So for making halwa, take ghee in a pan. Once ghee is nicely melted, add our crushed carrot. And mix it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 to 3 cups of milk. Add more if you want. Mix it nicely and boil it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add food color or kesar, which gives nice color to halwa. So here we used red color. Mix it nicely. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add sugar as per the sweetness you mix it well. Now here we have added milk made mithai, which is readily available in any supermarket, or you can add khova, which is also readily available in any sweet shops. Now mix it and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until it becomes thick. Keep on mixing in between. our carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa is ready. It's looking so beautiful. If you take red color carrot, it will look more beautiful than this. You can garnish this with the cashew, pista or badam and serve hot. Isn't it quick and sweet recipe? So try this and let us know your feedback, comment or suggestions if any. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.